Welcome friends. Question 1. What is the capital of Japan? Osaka, Tokyo, Yokohama. Correct answer is Tokyo. Question 2. What is the capital of Germany? Hamburg, Munich, Berlin. Correct answer is Berlin. Question 3. What is the capital of Israel? Jerusalem, Tel Aviv, Haifa. Correct answer is Jerusalem. Question 4. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Kandy, Gale, Colombo. Correct answer is Colombo. Question 5. What is the capital of Malaysia? Kuala Lumpur, Georgetown, Malacca. Correct answer is Kuala Lumpur. Question 6. What is the capital of Italy? Milan, Rome, Florence. Correct answer is Rome. Question 7. What is the capital of England? London, Bristol, Manchester. Correct answer is London. Question 8. What is the capital of Russia? Kazan, Moscow, St. Petersburg. Correct answer is Moscow. Question 10. What is the capital of Spain? Barcelona, Madrid, Valencia. Correct answer is Madrid. Thank you. See you in next video.